Have you ever seen the wild patterns in Arizona Crazy Lace up close? Today, I'm gonna turn this beautiful stone into a polished cabochon in less than 5 minutes. Let's reveal those colors and intricate lace patterns together. Arizona Crazy Lace is known for its vibrant colors and complex designs. It's not as wild and crazy as the Mexican Crazy Lace, but this is awesome nonetheless. What's the most unusual stone you've polished? Let me know in the comments below. Let's see how that Crazy Lace Agate transforms. Real quick guys, don't forget safety. Definitely make sure you're wearing some safety goggles. For this guy, we're gonna be making a little button cabochon. As you can see, I got this circle already traced on there. We're gonna be knocking out the meat that's all around him. We're gonna make this guy look really beautiful. And to do this, all we're gonna do is just kind of keep rotating this around till we get that cutout shape that we're looking for. We'll worry about the rest in just a moment. We'll just pivot it around just like this. And this, my friends, is why you wear your safety goggles. The dop stick snapped right off. Oh boy. But we're not gonna let that stop us. We're gonna continue to round this out without the dop stick. All right, we got this nice, beautiful round. I've left a little tiny bit of space to work with as we go down on this. I've got to put that dop wax back on and get that stick on to move on to the next part, but this is looking beautiful. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm super excited about this. Well, we're back in action. As you can see, I have reinforced this wax on this thing. A little bit of an overlap, that's gonna kind of help it out. I don't want to go down that far anyway. So for this step, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start to bevel off this edge. We're gonna keep it rotating around though. So we're gonna have it at an angle like this and just keep it rotating till it starts to dome out. As you can see, we've got this nice, beautiful bevel going on here. This is looking gorgeous. Oh my goodness. The tighter it goes, the more cone-shaped your cabochon's gonna be. I want this to be a little bit rounded off, so that's about right where I'm at for this one. So for this, normally I'd rock it back and forth and then this way, but since there's no long or short axis, we're actually just gonna start to rock this all around. So keep that rock moving all around, round and round it goes. All right, that is looking pretty good so far. Let's take a look. Oh, just beautiful. We got a nice smooth dome starting. We're gonna swap out to 180 grit disc now. Get this real smoothed up. So I got my 180 grit diamond disc right here. This is gonna be real quick. Just keep that rock rocking all around, guys. And again, it's like you got a hyperactive rock. It just wants to keep moving. It does not want to stand still for any moment. And I'm not talking about the Arizona Crazy Agate, but maybe that's why it likes to move around so much. Oh, wow, just check that out. Look at this beautiful pattern here. Oh my goodness. Let's take a quick look. I think we're done here. Wow, just look at this. This is so smooth right now. We are definitely ready to move on to the aluminum oxide step. It knows it's gonna be happy in just a moment with a beautiful, lovely shine. Just kind of gently keep it going around and around. All right, guys, now for the reveal. Oh, wow, look at those vibrant, beautiful colors. Oh my goodness. If you're interested in the full cabochon process, I have some in-depth tutorials on the channel that cover each step in detail. All right, my friends, thanks so much for joining me on today's lapidary journey, and I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, my friends.